Woo, made it to the top. It's a spot for paragliders.
And it even had free electricity. But there was only enough water for one of us to shower. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's dark. We have this little leak in our window.
In New Zealand we have this delicious pizza place called Sal's that we miss lots.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Myron.
We live full-time in our self-built campervan. It's been a week or so since we last vlogged, so let's catch up with where we've been.
We stop off at the second largest city in Norway, Bergen. We parked at IKEA, caught their free bus into town, and were met by colourful wooden buildings on the harbour. Sadly, our timetable didn't allow us to stay for long and we had to head out of the city. But not too far away we came across the Steinsdalfossen waterfall, which is one of the most popular waterfalls in Norway, where the waterfall is 50 metres and it's special because you can walk safe and dry behind the waterfall. After this we continue south, over bridges and through some of the coolest tunnels we've seen.
In today's video, we keep heading out of Norway, and we're pretty sad because we've loved our time here. But along the way we find some more beautiful spots, and we find an awesome park up with free facilities.
So we left Bergen and now heading to Oslo. We worked at this little car park here on the side of the road for today. It's a lovely like deserty kind of place here. We're at the top of a mountain on a plateau. Just a really cool landscape here. So I thought I'd go for a walk and show you guys around. I think I might try and climb to the top of this little peak here. That way I might get a better look out on everything that's around me. Woo, made it to the top. Little pile of rocks there, and I know where the top is. Wow, look how much snow's on that mountaintop. It's completely covered. I wonder why that mountain's covered in snow and all the other ones don't have any snow on them. It's so cool. There's so many lakes and little ponds here. This area is beautiful, but I gotta get back to the van and then we've got to drive to Oslo. We've only got about 2 weeks left until we need to get back to the UK, so we need to get some miles done. I think it's still like 25 hours of driving left. But yeah, beautiful. Good morning guys, we made it to our park up spot last night at like 11 o'clock. It was really dark. We're still like an hour away from Oslo, but we got this lovely view for our work day today. It's a spot for paragliders and there's even a little takeoff wooden ramp here. You can set up your paraglider there and then run and then fly off and land down into the town. It's pretty cool. Hopefully we get to see one taking off today. So we're just leaving now to get another hour and a half driving for tonight. Sadly we didn't see any paragliders taking off from the point, but yeah.
It's probably too cold for them.
Yeah.
It's pretty cold. It's been a heater day today, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's only like the 5th day of autumn.
It's really not, Byron. It's the 9th.
9th day of autumn. Yeah, so
it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, cooled down a lot so far already.
We've been going past this traffic for miles and miles and miles. It's crazy. And our road is completely clear.
There wasn't anything in that lane to cause that issue. There's a truck picking up some logs on like the side of the road, but other than that there was nothing.
It just started.
Yeah, the congestion just started from nowhere.
I think the extra one's the cheap one.
These are extra.
So we just got to this awesome park up with free facilities, and it even has free electricity. So I think we might park here for a day or two and get some work done and really take advantage of that free electricity. So we're all parked up, you can see the van, and we're gonna go for a little nighttime stroll. It's kind of raining a little bit, but it's not too bad, and we need to get some movement done today because it's been a very busy, very sedentary work day.
At the car park we parked at, it recommended that we do a walk across the river and go to Haythorpe Fort. So I think we might do the river walk now and then maybe go to the fort tomorrow. It's the muddiest river we've seen in Norway really, they've all been crystal clear.
Back to the van. Myron's eating grapes. It's got dark.
I bought a punnet of grapes that I'm just snacking on.
Dinner time. Myron cooked us some curry while I edited videos. And now we're gonna eat this and watch some Netflix. Probably Suits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Morning. So we are still at this park up and we are enjoying the free electricity because for the last couple of days it has been so grey. Myron's just had a shower,
Done the dishes.
but there was only enough water for one of us to shower. So we're just getting packed up, and then we're going to go down the road to where there is free water. I've done the fresh water, that's my job, and Myron's just finishing the toilet. That's his job. Thanks Free Norway Services.
Gotta go to work.
Your singing was great.
I know.
So it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's dark and pouring with rain. So we are very glad that we are hooked up to power today.
We're getting in 0.1 amps out of 400 watts. That's about 1 watt out of 400 watts.
We have this little leak in our window which comes back when the rain is really bad. We need to just put some more sealant, I think, around the outside, but we keep procrastinating it.
We bought the sealant like 3 months ago.
Like 4 or so.
Yeah.
Oh, we bought it, I think we were, yeah, it was a long time ago.
Need to get onto it.
Yeah, we really do. I'm just sitting my hand in a pool of water.
I'll give you some paper towels. So we've just finished work. Hannah's got a little more editing to do, but I'm gonna start with dinner. In New Zealand we have this delicious pizza place called Sal's that we miss lots. They have these little garlic knots, just like pizza dough balls with garlic on top. So I'm gonna try and make some of them tonight. Heat the garlic and butter up on the stove. And out of the oven they look like this. So yum. I'm gonna tuck in.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.